Hey everyone, it's Mr. Mountain Man. I am in downtown Asheville today helping out at the World Central Kitchen, and let's check out what we're doing here. So we already cleaned up, but we all helped load up a bunch of pork butts in here and just making food for the community in the wider Western North Carolina area. Again, just got this all mopped and cleaned up. So a large community of volunteers doing various operations here again to help feed Western North Carolina after Hurricane Helene, and ironically we're getting rain for the first time in a month today also. Doing whatever it can to help. So anyway, finishing up here for the day, I encourage others to get involved in the community and help out, and it's been great to be a part of this.